Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to create a Docker image. So, first of all guys, I will use Docker support as my support file to show you how to do that in steps. So, first of all, I will go to this page and here we go. So now I have full details for how to create image for your application. Now, here write a Docker file for your application. So how you can do it? Simply by clicking here. So you can just in following example build and run the Hello Z tutorial application in a container. So here first let's prepare the host with the code. So you have to prepare the host, git clone https github. Here you put the host code, and here you just have to copy this. So as you can see here, this is the example that gets. Just have to put it here without the get /tutorial, and here hello z. Now go down, open a text editor and create a new Docker file with the following contents. You just have to specify the parent image from which we build. So you just have to put here the parent image. Here set the working directory, so work directory /app, and here copy files from your host to your current working directory. So copy cpp hello z src, which is the file that we have created. Now let's go all the way down. As you can see, where the application with CMake, you can just copy this and just change the orange word that you can see here with yours. Here you will start building your Docker image. So Docker build t hello z, and here you will test your image. So docker run at gpus all nvidia driver capabilities equals all privileged hello z, which is the image that you are using. And now you can just do whatever you want from this. So these are like testing your image, and here you can just optimize your image size from here. So get updates -y at plus plus here, but practice, and here is the best practice. And just like that, you have created an image using Docker, guys. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.